Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, someone asked me to do a comparison of some of the beauty boxes that I receive, and the only ones that are comparable, even though the price is a little different, is the Allure and the Play by Sephora. So I'm going to be opening them today with you and show you what I received, and then I'll tell you which one I think is better. We're gonna start with Allure, and when you open it, it has a picture of this beautiful girl with gorgeous hair, and it does tell you a little bit about the products that you are receiving in the box. And it also there is a $30 coupon or a gift card to Brita, and I guess they sell watches. So I never heard of them before, but in case any of you are interested, I'm not going to be using this coupon, so this is a coupon code, and this is for $30 off, free US shipping and returns from BritaWatch.com. So this is the box, and the first thing that I am going to pull out is Nexxus. It looks like it's the Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner, Protein Fusion, and the shampoo, and it's from Nexxus, and they're pretty nice size. So I do enjoy shampoos and conditioners that are this size because they're really good for traveling. Usually I don't like to take a big bottle, so please excuse my nails. I feel terrible, but I had a chance to film really quick and one hand is done and the other one isn't. I am so sorry. I hate that. I usually will never do this. I either all off or all done, but I wanted to take a quick chance and film this, so don't forgive me. So anyway, this is the first two items, and then there's also a Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is a Light Sticks Illuminating, so it must be a highlighter maybe. So this is what the box, this is what it looks like. I never heard of this brand before, and this is the product. This looks like it's full size, and it's a creamy highlighter. I do like cream highlighters. It's gold. Right now on my hand it feels a little sticky, but I normally don't put it directly on my face. I usually put it like quite a bit on my hand, and then with the sponge I dip the sponge on my hand so that it's kind of diffused, and then I apply it to my face. I do that with the liquid or the, so you can see it's a little gold, a little yellow. I'll do it a little darker so that you can see it better. It's not very very highlighty. It's very subtle. So let me see if it tells me what the shade is. Halo. Oh wow, actually look, big writing on the back of a product. Amazing. Okay, the next product is a eyeliner from Ico, and this is a liquid eyeliner, and these eyeliners are pretty good. I'm not going to open this one because I have one open already. Or is it not sealed? No, it's not sealed. It's like a felt tip pen, and they are pretty nice. Now this is kind of a thick pen. I usually like them when they're thinner because you can get a thinner line. The one that I used today is a sample that I had from Fenty Beauty, and I really do enjoy that. But Ico is a good brand, so, and it's black, so that's pretty good. But I have so many black eyeliners, but it's alright. Then I received, this is a moisturizer from Caudalie, and I do enjoy Caudalie moisturizers, skincare. It's very, very nice. I have used them before and I really do like it. This is like a creamy white. It disappears, feels very moisturizing, and it sinks right into my skin. And it is scented, but not very, very strong. And the last is one of my favorite products in the whole makeup world, is the Laneige, and this is the Sleeping Lip Mask. And this is in a deluxe size. I do have the regular size, and I keep it by my bedside, and every night I put it on. First, oh wow, look at this. There's not much in here. But I guess this is nice for traveling. All it takes is just a little bit. But this is nice. I don't know if this is a special flavor, because they came out with limited edition special flavors. But it looks like this one is the same one that I have, which kind of tastes like strawberry, kind of. It's very, it's not very strong taste at all. It doesn't say. I think this is the original. So this is pretty nice. I definitely like this for traveling. So this is all the products that I received from Allure. And there's 3, 5, 6 products. Okay, and I can give you the price of each of the full size. The Caudalie, the full size is $39. And it's a moisturizing sorbet. And like I said, those are very nice. The Ico is $22, and this is a full size. The highlighter is $24, and this is a full size. The Laneige, the sleeping mask, the full size is $20, so this is very little. The moisturizing, the shampoo and the moisturizer. The shampoo is $12.99 for 13.5 ounces, and the conditioner is $17.99 for 13.5 ounces. Now, normally on a regular basis, I use Briogeo. I don't use any other kind of shampoo because they're a very clean brand. So they don't have all these other ingredients that, you know, they're harmful to your hair and your scalp and everything else. So I do try to take care of my hair. But these are nice for traveling. I don't take the Briogeo with me because it's bigger. So now we're gonna do Play by Sephora. And I already opened the box, guys, because I don't like to spend all this time and energy break, you know, fighting with it. So the inside of the box says Love Tips, Tricks, and Beauty Hacks, Sephora.com/play. And here is the little booklet with the 50 beauty points. And I never use these because I hardly ever go into the store. I usually do all of my buying online. So I would say that 90% of these get wasted. I wish they would let you use them online. This is the box this month. It's called Back to School. And it has a makeup brush, a pencil, a mascara, and a ruler. And the first product that I'm taking out is the Moroccan oil. And this is dry texture spray. So I don't use too much of this because I really don't, my hair is pretty short. So how much texture can I get in my hair? When it's a little longer, sometimes I'll spray it on the top just to give me a little bit of body, but it's something that I'll use it if I receive it in a box, but I never go buy it. The next thing is the Dr. Dennis Gross C Collagen Deep Cream. And this is a pretty nice size, deluxe size moisturizer. And it's not scented, and it's, it looks like it's pretty full, but it's got a pretty big, oh, the rest of it is here on the cap. So I guess it does bring a lot of product in. It's pretty much full. Okay, and then the next item is, this is by NARS. And this is an eyelid primer. So this is pretty nice. A deluxe size. And I have never used the NARS eyelid primer. And it looks like a little white when you first apply it. But as you rub it on your skin, it kind of disappears. You really can't see it. It's right there. And let me see if it feels sticky. A little bit, but not a lot. So I'm anxious to try it. And it feels like the regular NARS packaging, which is like a soft plastic. I don't know, they feel different. They don't feel like a regular plastic. Next is a lipstick by Makeup Forever, and the shade is C211. And I guess C211 is the only thing that's on there. They always fool me because I always see the bottom of the box and it looks like it's going to be a red lip, and it's not. It's like a mauve pink. And let me see if I can find a spot here that I didn't put. Oh, that's very pretty. It looks a lot, I don't know, it looks lighter to me than it swatches, but that's a very pretty color. Definitely something that I would use. So that's nice, and I like the Makeup Forever lipsticks. They're very comfortable. They're usually very creamy, and they do have a little bit of a gloss, but they're not super glossy. And then the Hoola bronzer, which I have several of them, so I'm not going to open this one up so that I can give it away, but this is the same shade as a regular bronzer, and these are pretty nice. But I do have a couple of this size which I take with me when I travel, and I also have it in a face palette, so I really don't want to open this one up. And last but not least is a sample of Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and the conditioner, and I guess we got this month instead of the perfume that they normally include in the bag. So this is 6 products including this, but this is a bonus product. They always say that they give you 5 products. Now in the Play by Sephora is $10 a month, and you always get deluxe products. Once in a while you can get like a full-size lipstick or something like that, but not very often, or an eyeliner. Most of the time there are deluxe products. And the Allure is $15 a month, and you can get deluxe and full-size products. So I did get the eyeliner, which is full-size, and the highlighter, which is full-size. So I really couldn't tell you which one is better. I'm not that impressed with this. It feels kind of a little oily on the skin, and it didn't really show up that much. Even when I tried to pack it on, it really didn't show up that much. So I don't know, I'm not impressed with this. I do like the Ico, and I like these, but I mean they're super small. So I think, to tell you the truth, I think that the Sephora wins because they had the lipstick that I like. They also had a good moisturizer in there. And what else was in there? The lipstick, the moisturizer. Oh, this is pretty nice. I mean, I don't use it on the NARS. So I think that the actually the Sephora wins this month, even though it's a little less expensive. And also, once in a while, we do get some really expensive products on this. One time I received a full-size Sunday the Vitamin C Serum, which is like $58. So once in a while, they do surprise you with something really, really nice. So I do like them both. I've thought several times about canceling one or the other, and then I get an amazing box and I don't cancel it. So now I have a kind of surprise. I do have a, well, it's not a surprise because you probably read it on the front of the page before you clicked on my video. But I'm having a giveaway, and my giveaway is going to be a Milani giveaway, and I'm going to be giving someone the Pure Passions palette, which this one is mine, and it's one of the last ones that just came out from Milani, which is gorgeous. And I did do a look with this palette, so I will put it in the cards so that if anybody wants to look at that video. But this is just a swatch on some of the colors on the palette. It's a very, very nice palette, very pigmented, buttery, very little fallout, so I definitely do enjoy it. I'm also going to give you, whoever wins, a set of the blushes. And this is Flowers of Love. And I do also have that palette. Let me swatch it for you so that you will see. They have another one that is a little peachy, but I got the one that was pink. And these are beautiful. You can make them as dark or as light. They can look very natural. They're very, very, very pretty. And they stay on all day. These are the shades. This last one here, you can almost wear it as a highlighter if you wanted to, because that one is pretty light. This one here. And then included is a Lash Paradise, L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is so nice. And then I got you a Milani eye primer. I wear this eye primer. I use it a lot and it's very nice. And also the Make It Last setting spray, which is a very nice setting spray. And a lipstick. And to tell you the truth, I don't know if I have this shade or not. I didn't want to go digging through my lipstick, but it's a pretty nice neutral color. So I thought that, you know, just about anybody could wear it. It's like, the color is Naturally Cheek. It's number 25. And it's supposed to be creamy. It's not supposed to be like matte. So this is my giveaway for you. Oh, and this little makeup purse. This little Milani makeup bag with a cute little tassel. This will also be included. So all I need is for you to be a subscriber, and this is going to be only for the United States. The last one that I did was international, so this one is just going to be for the US. So you do have to be a subscriber. And in order to enter, just put a note on there that you would like to enter the giveaway, that you are a subscriber, and also I would like for you to either give me a video idea or ask me a question, something you want to know about me or makeup. And make it nice. Don't ask any ugly questions, okay? So this is it. That's all you have to do. Just subscribe, like the video. Let me write in your comment that you want to enter the giveaway, that you are a subscriber, and either a video idea or a question that something you want to know about makeup, or something that you would like to know about me. So thank you so much for watching. Good luck to all of you, and I will hold this this giveaway open for 2 weeks. So let me give you the date when it will end. Hold on one second. Today's the 23rd. Next week is, okay, so I will close the video on September the 6th. That is 2 weeks from today. Today is August the 23rd. So right now I will close it, like, let's say at 6 p.m. on the 6th. And then I will go ahead and choose a winner, and I will post a video on the 7th letting everybody know who the winner was. Okay, so good luck to all of you. Thank you so much for giving me some of your time. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.